First of all, I woke up to a scream from my dad asking me a million questions. I didn't wake up on time, it's been stressful, but my new camera came. I'm really excited. Okay, a few days ago I sold my Canon Rebel T3i because I had bought this camera and I'm like, I need to sell this or else. I bought this camera, which I'll show you in a minute, but I sold my Canon Rebel for like $250 or something because those aren't very popular, so I guess really no one wants those. But someone bought it. Then I proceeded to buy this camera. Oh, I ripped the box. I'm really excited for this camera. I've really wanted it for a while now. Yeah, so I bought it because eBay was having a deal. She looks pretty good. It's the Canon G7X. Last summer, I did a few vlogs, and I really like those vlogs because when I watch them, they take me back to that time. They were really like sporadic and out of order. Also, some of the clips are out of focus because I was using my Canon Rebel T3i, which is a great camera. It's mostly great for photos because it doesn't autofocus during video, which is a really big issue. Now, this camera that I'm using now is pretty heavy, so unfortunately I can't really bring it with me like for vlogs and stuff. And like I said before, there was a time where I really liked doing vlogs. I also got a job a few months ago and I saved up enough money to purchase this, so this is all my own money. I'm opening it already. I'm too excited. Wow, this is actually really nice. This is it. The screen lifts up like that. This is so cool. It's so weird seeing me holding it because I've seen so many YouTubers use it. And then it also goes like this, but I don't get this because what is the literal point? Like, I guess if you're going like this. Can you stop sniffing and getting spit on my camera? This is my doggy. So I'm gonna open that. This is a really small battery, wow. Wow. The stabilization is really good. That's kind of crazy. The battery's about to die. Nice. I love when they send you batteries that are about to die. Wow, okay. Well, that's her. This is my new camera. She's like a third or a fourth of the size of this camera. Interesting. That is so insane. Thank you guys for watching my like really random unboxing video, I guess. I hope you enjoyed it because I really did. So, oh god, I hate endings. Endings are so awkward. Sorry I'm not like super outgoing or like crazy in today's video. I just kind of woke up, so I'm still a little bit mellow. Remember to like this video, subscribe to me, comment down below any questions or video ideas you have for me, and hopefully I can really get started on this YouTube thing. Why am I talking like this? Hopefully I can really get grinding on YouTube videos. Okay.